Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be doing an update on Aphria. So Aphria officially traded on the Nasdaq on June 8th. One of my comments was asking me to do an update on Aphria. So I decided to make a video on Aphria simply, well, there's another reason why too, because there was really nothing to talk about this morning. So I decided to make a video on Aphria and just give my updates and my thoughts on it. So, Nasdaq from New York Stock Exchange. Nasdaq is not bad. Nasdaq is traded with some of the big boys like Tesla and Apple. But I really don't think the exchange really matters at the end of the day. I think it's all about the investor. Uh, so if they can reduce the pricing on the by switching from the New York Stock Exchange to the Nasdaq, that's good in my opinion. So, but is Aphria stock a buy right now? I say swing trade, but ultimately I would have to say no. I can't say no or yes, but the chart is telling me that the stock is starting to downtrend. So I think the stock's gonna be, in my opinion, even if it says downtrending, it's still gonna be volatile unless Aphria comes out with some news. So I think Aphria stock is either gonna trade sideways, or B, it's gonna dip down to around $3.60 something cents in the near future here, which at that point I could say, yeah, that would be more of an opportunity. But right now it's kind of risky because, yeah, it could pop all the way back to 560. I highly doubt it will because the stock is downtrending right now. But if Aphria came out with some big news, or if Jeremy came out and started pumping Aphria for some strange reason, then yeah, I say it could go up to $5.06. But for now, it's probably gonna drift sideways until there's some kind of big event. But that's just my opinion. Uh, the market also can affect Aphria stock too if the market decides to make a plummet, like a big one, like 1,000 point day down. I think Aphria would go down like at least 5 to 10%. But that's my opinion. Right now, the market is down. Oil is slightly down. Gold, silver is down. Natural gas is down. Both the Asia market and the European market are slightly down. So today is going to be a slightly red day, which could be an opportunity in my opinion. So yeah. Anyways, I think Aurora also acts as a resistance level for Aphria. I don't think Aphria is going to surpass Aurora's market cap. So if Aphria suddenly spikes, I think it would probably affect Aurora, and Aurora stock will move to the upside. But that's my opinion. Canopy is kind of it's on its own. It can do whatever it wants. Canopy is on the top, so Canopy goes up a lot. It'll probably affect the rest of the MJ sector. But right now, I think Aphria is under a little bit of pressure not because of my review of my MJ drink. It's because of Acreage Holdings. Acreage Holdings is causing a little pressure on Canopy because Acreage is borrowing money at ridiculously loan shark prices. Let's look at Acreage. That's right. I forgot to put up Acreage here. Acreage down at 26 cents today. That's pretty bad in my opinion. I think Acreage is going to head down lower, and that's going to affect Canopy negatively. But that's my opinion. We'll see if that's going to be the scenario. Canopy is probably, in my opinion, is probably going to trade sideways today. Doesn't look very strong or weak. It just looks like it's very, I think it's going to just be volatile today, and it's probably going to jump to 17 US dollar and maybe fall back down to maybe 16 US dollar. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't think it's going to be a massive crash for Canopy stock today, but I could be wrong. If it does, everything else will get dragged down with it. Kron is just trading sideways today. I don't have too much to say about that. Tilray is kind of on its own too. They just do whatever they want. The people that are manipulating Tilray stock. GameStop this morning, $4.76. I don't really have too much to say about GameStop. GameStop will probably be volatile for a while. Probably just trade sideways. Oh yeah, there's the if the PS4 digital came out at $399 and the PS5 digital came out at $399 and the PS5 disc came out at $499, so $500, $100 difference. The digital would sell like hotcakes, and GameStop stock would not be. I think GameStop stock could crash from that because GameStop relies on resale of used games. That's a big market for them, and if Sony comes out with a digital version, GameStop used game sales are gonna go down dramatically, and that could affect the stock price. But the stock is, still, if we look at the fundamentals, it's still very cheap, like just fundamentals, it's very cheap. They have more cash than the entire market cap, and they have a huge short position, which could cause a short squeeze. Beyond Meat is up 9 cents. Not too much to say about that. Carnival Cruise, boom. So what happened this morning? I bought some call options right in the morning at 1850, and boom, the stock is now 1905, 1901. I'm so happy I bought some of those call options. I'm probably up 100% right now. American Airlines this morning is did the same thing. It crashed and then it popped. Nikola Motors this morning is just trading sideways. There's just so many bearish articles on Nikola Motors, but the stock refuses to drop. I mean, not articles. A lot of YouTubers talk negatively about Nikola, and stock just seems to trade sideways. NEO stock. NEO is up 30 cents in the morning, and I bought some. So, and the stock just continues to rally. Like I said, don't trade this on fundamentals. Trade this on technicals. Technicals says that NEO is in a strong uptrend. And because of Tesla going up this morning is causing NEO to go up this morning with Tesla. So yeah, I think NEO is probably going to hit $7.50 this morning. And I think it's going to eventually hit $10 US. Just my opinion. We'll see what happens. Liberal Health Science this morning up half a penny. Ianthus this morning is up 2 cents, 7%. If you bought it when it crashed, which was a while ago, it crashed from 52 cents to around 28 cents. If you bought it at 28 cents, you would have made a nice little profit of 7%. Curaleaf this morning is trading sideways. Cresco Labs this morning is down 17 cents. Green Thumb Industries is down 7 cents. True Eve this morning is down 10 cents. Seems the US side is a little weak. Harvest is up a penny, so Harvest looks nice. I don't own any Harvest, by the way. Madman is down 2 cents. Oh yeah, and by the way, I do not own any Aphria stock. I might buy some, but I want to see more of a correction, and I think it will happen. Just my opinion. But yeah, because it looks like it's starting a downtrend, but right now it's up. So yeah, not too much to say about that. Aurora is down this morning. Dow just trading sideways, and Canopy is probably going to be under pressure for a while because of acreage holdings. And who knows, maybe I'm right and it'll crash real hard. No idea. I'm shorting it in a sense. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.